Hey everyone, if you are facing the unknown error issue in Mobile Legends, don't worry. I will show you how to fix it step by step. First, restart your game and phone. Close Mobile Legends completely and restart your device. This simple step can resolve minor glitches. Next, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable network can cause the unknown error. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Restart your router or enable airplane mode for a few seconds and then turn it off. Clear the Mobile Legends cache. Go to settings, then apps, manage apps or app management depending on your mobile model. Find Mobile Legends from the list. Tap storage, then clear cache. This removes temporary files that might be causing the error. Ensure Mobile Legends is updated. Open the Google Play Store, search for Mobile Legends, and install any available updates. Also, check for Android system updates by going to Settings, then find Software Update option. If you are still facing the error, try downloading game resources again. Go to Settings, then Apps, App Management, or Manage Apps depending on your phone model. Then find Mobile Legends game from the list. Tap storage, then tap clear data. Restart the game and it will re-download essential files. Make sure your account is linked to the Moontune, Google Play or Facebook before doing this to prevent of losing data. If nothing works, reinstall the game, uninstall Mobile Legends, restart your phone and then download the latest version from the Google Play Store. And that's it. Your Mobile Legends should now work without the unknown error. If this guide helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Mobile Legends fixes. See you in the next one.